have some quick tips for you for great results with your hot weavers heated rollers. So when you want to decide on the size, never take your section longer than the roller itself or wider this way. So here's my section. You can use the teeth itself to comb through. Let's get some volume, especially when you have shorter hair. If I take this roller and roll back this way, dragging this way, you're not going to get any lift or any volume out of that. If I go straight on top and roll down, I'll get a medium amount of lift on that. But if you want to get as much volume that you can possibly get, you're going to pull the roller forward, and then you're going to roll it back into place. And then the great clip tip is open nice and wide. Set it on the roller while it's wide, then clip, and your roller's in place. It's not going to flip or flop. So here's my tip when you're trying to get your ends in while you're wrapping your hair on the hot weavers. So once you have your section, you can actually use the hot weaver to comb your hair through because of the teeth on it, and that starts to bend that end anyway. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start like in the halfway part. Take that end between your finger and your forefinger, wrap it around, and then it gets a little easier with your other hand to just tuck those ends, especially when you have straight hair like Stephanie's. It can get difficult, right? So then once I have that tucked with both those fingers like that, all I have to do is roll it right into place, and then you can use the clip to make sure you get that end in smooth too. So I have a tip for you when you're trying to get a smooth blowout type of look. We have Chrissy here, just naturally dried. As you can see, she can dry a little bit fuzzy. She has some curls, even some kinks. So all we need to do is take the section. We take it the size of the roller, so we're going to be taking a little bit of a wider section, right? We're going to use the roller itself to comb through the hair. What we're trying to do is start to smooth this out so we get this gorgeous blowout without blowing the hair dry. I'll take her end, gonna wrap it around so it gets tucked in here. See the end? I'm just gonna put it on those teeth. I'm giving her a decent amount of tension. So you see how this is smooth around? That's what you want. That safe heat starts to smooth and shine your hair. Let me give you a couple of tips on the base itself. You can choose whichever heat setting works best for you. So you have a low and you have a high. If you have sensitive scalp or even sensitive hair, you might want to choose the low. If you have really resistant hair, you definitely want to choose the high. But you get to choose what works best for your hair, as well as the base will accommodate all the rollers. So you can get other roller sizes and use it on your base. Have fun, there's a lot of options, and this way you can get a lot of different looks.